Proof of congruent triangles. Congruent triangles means the same. Let's see. The diagram shows two triangles ACD, ACD, and BCE, BCE. C is the midpoint of AB. Now, what it means, the midpoint is exactly in the middle. So that means that this side, AC, will be the same as the second side, CD. AD is parallel to EB. AD is parallel to EB, and the point C lies on DE. So what do we need to do? We need to prove that triangle ACD and BCE are congruent, meaning the same. Now, how do we prove congruent triangles? Three options. Either we prove that the three sides of the triangles are the same, or two sides and an angle, or one side and two angles. So any combination of those will work. And when we are building our proof, first we look at the parts that are given to us in the question, then we are looking at the parts that are common, and then we reach to our knowledge. So in this case, we are saying given. So is there any side or any angle that is given to us in the question? And yes, there is. AC and CB are the same. So AC is the same as CB, and that is given to us in the question. So therefore, we have proven one side. Let's leave as a singular. Okay, then the common, it doesn't really have, none of the sides or none of the angles are common, meaning the same one belonging to the two. So then we are looking at our knowledge. So what do we know about angles in different shapes? So we can see that here we have, oops, that wasn't very straight. So here we have letter X. I don't know if you remember, it's been long. I would say that is what? Vertically opposite, isn't it? When we have letter X, those angles are the same, and these ones will be the same. They are vertically opposite angle. So therefore, let's write our argument. So angle ACD is the same as angle ECB or BCE, whichever way you want to call that. So they are the same. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So therefore, I have proven an angle. Now, another idea that we have, another piece of knowledge that we have is this angle here. So that's the letter Z. I don't know, again, if you remember, when we are talking about letter Z, if those two sides are parallel to each other, therefore those two angles are the same. And that's what we have here. This angle and this angle are the same because those two lines are parallel to each other. So therefore we write that angle ADC is the same as BEC, as angle BEC, because they are alternate angles. So now we have proven another angle. So there it is. I have proven one side and two angles. Therefore, I can conclude that triangle ACD is the same as triangle CBE, because we have proven what? A side and two angles. So we have proven a side and two angles that they are the same. Therefore, those two triangles are the same.